It has been an amazing experience. I've been here for since the morning itself, and I've seen that people are really interactive, especially this year, because I don't usually see people coming up to unknown people such as me and talking to them, but I am seeing a lot of them doing it today, so it's very interactive and I'm loving the environment as of now. Yeah.
As a GD, you go to different places, talk about different Google Cloud technologies. The major thing is how interactive the crowd is. And here in Ranchi, I saw a lot of amazing crowds, very interactive, and they were asking a lot of amazing questions, what they are building, how they are innovating in their day-to-day workflow using this AI advancements. So I feel the crowd is truly amazing, and
overall experience is really amazing. The vibe especially is really good. And talking about the audience, I have never seen this audience in a Dev Fest where everyone is so cheerful, so loud. And not just that, they are also asking questions, they are also criticizing. It's not like if I'm telling that, hey, the speaker is something, this is right, they're also asking questions whether it's not right or not right. So yeah, it's really amazing.
सिंह हेयर की रांची का ये अभी तक का मुझे लग रहा है वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टेक इवेंट है। एंड कला वीकेंड में हम लोग सिर्फ स्पॉन्सर नहीं, हम लोग ना पार्टनर हैं, मेंटर हैं आपके। एंड मुझे मैं जो एनर्जी देख रहा हूँ आप कोऑर्डिनेटर्स का, पूरे इवेंट का जो वाइब है, दैट्स लाइक आई वांट टू गिव थैंक टू यू ऑल गाइज कि आपने ये वाइब क्रिएट किया। एंड हम लोग बहुत मेहनत किए, लाइक मैं टीम की बात कर रहा हूँ, टीम ने बहुत मेहनत किया ये वाइब क्रिएट करने में। बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स लाइक गिटहब, 11 Labs टाइप के ब्रांड्स को भी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे बुलाया, उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को। तो दैट्स अ ग्रेट जॉब यार, मतलब कम ऑन, मन खुश कर दिया आप लोगों ने।
जितना भी the audience here is very good. I mean, in a sense that they are very energetic, very involved. The majority of them are quite good in terms of, even after the session when we came out, the kind of questions that we were getting were very good questions. I mean, they were asking very genuinely about some doubts. They are working on something. They are working on some AI solution, and they want to know what to do with this. It's not like, sir, what is the AI happening? What's the world? It's like the questions are more like, I am doing this. How can I solve this? How can I do that? So that kind of questions were there. A lot of them were there. So which means that people are really passionate and involved and doing things.
बेसिकली आप लोग का जो ऑर्गेनाइज करने का जो तरीका है, मैं उससे बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस हूँ और वो मैं लेके जाऊँगा। एंड लेके जाने के लिए नहीं, मैं यहाँ दे के जाने के लिए आया हूँ, राइट। तो लाइक जो भी आपके ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं, तुषार हो गया, ऋषभ हो गया, उनको अगर हम लोगों ने जो सपोर्ट किया है, राइट, और भी इवेंटर्स ने जो सपोर्ट किया है, तो लाइक वो देख के लग रहा है कि बच्चे कहाँ पहुँच रहे हैं। वो देख के मतलब अंदर जो खुशी होता है ना, वो लेके जाने का नहीं है, दे के जाने का है, राइट।
Short rapid fire round, you could answer just in one word.
Sure.
So, startup life or big tech?
Startup.
Okay. First startup life, then big tech.
I would suggest in initial career of yours, just focus on startup so that you will get more opportunity to learn different things. But if you are having some good level of experience, I would suggest just go for big organizations so that you can focus more on your implementation section based on your past experiences.
It's a very difficult question. Startup life, I think I always loved it and I'll probably love it again.
Fun or code for work?
Code for fun.
Code for fun.
Build projects or solve problems?
Solve problems.
If we are building projects, then we are obviously solving a problem.
In a way, yeah.
But build products.
Okay.
That's, even if it's not solving problem, I like to build products.
I do prefer both of them because if you build product, ultimately you are solving a problem. So I do prefer go ahead with the building products, do some freelance projects, so you can do that.
So it's a very, I think this is a question which does not really have one answer. The reason being, you build products to solve the problems, right? Like it should be a solution to some problem, otherwise the product has no meaning. So I think it's actually building products is an outcome of solving problems.
Work from cafe or work from home?
Work from home.
Work from anywhere.
Okay.
Choose the third option.
Nice.
Work from home because I can make a cafe at my home.
Actually, I do prefer work from home.
While coding or silence?
music while coding.
Oh, I'm generally silent, yeah.
Silence.
Music while coding.
Please, if you want to give any advice.
To students.
Yeah.
Yes, so there's so much engagement I can see here. The students, most of the crowd are students only. So I can see they are doing a lot of projects related with the AI. So for my perspective, AI is going to be future for few years. So try to learn the AI stuff. Try to make the project and develop the project related with the AI.